Hey there. So, if you are running Google LSA ads, one of the things that is important is that you add photos to your profile. Um, so, adding photos definitely increases the likelihood that you're going to get selected for a job, but also Google loves it. So, there's a couple things that I like to do here. um, so I'm inside of one of my accounts and I have some before and after photos that I've already uploaded. It doesn't like to take videos. But the way that you upload them is you go into your Google LSA listing and do click to add photos. And then you can just go in here and add the photos that you want. Um, the more that you have, the better, but you can start off with a few and then just once a month go in and just add some additional photos. So I'm going to show you one of our other accounts. This one was for Buffalo. So let me go do our Tampa location. Okay, so I'm in our Tampa location. I'm going to go ahead and click. You can see these are all the same photos that I've added to my other profiles. Also, Google only allows you to upload one photo at a time. So it is a little bit time consuming just from the perspective of I like to have things done fast. Um, but yeah, it's not as streamlined as I feel like it should be. But get these photos uploaded and of course, add your logo to the photos if you can. And what would be even better is if you geotag these. Now, if you're not familiar with what geotagging is actually the um, latitude and longitude Google map or map latitude, longitude for where your service area is. So there is a tool that I use for this. I do have another video on it. It's called Geotag Imager or Geo Imager. So I'll just show you really quick in this video. But if you want to check out the geotagging, I do have a video here on my YouTube channel. So let me just pop over to Geotag Imager really quick and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I'm in the Geo Imager. Here's the website, geoimgr.com. And you can just go start now. I think they give you some free ones that you can use. So if you want to subscribe, you can. I think it's $9.99 a month, which is super inexpensive. But if you don't want to pay, then you can just do, I think, 9 or 10 downloads a day. So I'm going to go and upload this photo here. And then what you're going to do here is um, you're going to want to enter the place or like search for an address. So you want it to be geotagged. So let's say that I'm working, one of my clients is in Pittsburgh, New York. So I'm not going to actually enter a real client's address just because I want to keep their information private. Okay, so it looks like 5 a day. So let me just see if I can see. Okay, I see. Because I'm not paying, it's not allowing me to actually go and search it. So what I can do is just go grab the latitude and longitude from Google Maps. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's just go over here, go to Google Maps. And let's see, I'll just grab an address here. So here I'm in Google Maps. This is the property address that I want. You can see that it's highlighted with this red marker. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to get the latitude and longitude. When I click on it, it automatically copies to the clipboard, as you can see down here. Over here, I'm going to add the geotag here. So you can see one is latitude, the other one is going to be longitude. And it's gonna take these out of here and we're gonna write accept tags. It's gonna add that here for us. And then you can add some tags if you want. You can say house cleaning. You can add your company name, made for time, and then write it. So now the photo is tagged. You can download this now. And then if you want, you can take that photo and you can add it to your. So now this is the geotagged one. You can't see it that it's geotagged, but it's definitely geotagged. So that definitely helps with your SEO. All right. Hope this video was helpful.